Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. The human body is a complex and fascinating machine, and one of its most important systems is the immune system. The immune system is a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It is a complex and highly efficient system that allows us to live in a world full of germs without getting sick all the time. So today, we are going to explore one of the most amazing systems inside your body. We'll explain how it works, why it's important, and what you can do to keep it strong. Let's start by breaking down the immune system into its basic components. The immune system is made up of a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful pathogens. Some of the key players include white blood cells, which are produced by the bone marrow and travel through the body looking for signs of infection. They attack any foreign invaders they find. Lymph nodes, which are small, bean-shaped organs that filter lymph fluid and house immune cells that identify and eliminate pathogens. Organs like the spleen and thymus, which help to store and mature immune cells. And chemical messengers such as antibodies and cytokines that help coordinate the immune response. These components work together in a complex and highly coordinated way to protect the body against infection and disease. Now let's dive deeper into how the immune system works. The first line of defense is your body's physical and chemical barriers against infection. This includes your skin, which acts as a barrier to keep germs out, as well as mucous membranes, which trap and remove pathogens. If a pathogen manages to get past these barriers, the second line of defense kicks in. This is your innate immune system, which is a collection of cells and processes that identify and eliminate pathogens. For example, cells called macrophages engulf and digest pathogens, while natural killer cells release chemicals that destroy infected cells. The innate immune system is a nonspecific response that targets any foreign invader. If the innate immune system is unable to stop the infection, the third line of defense is activated. This is your adaptive immune system, which is a highly specialized response that targets specific pathogens. The adaptive immune system is made up of two main types of cells, B cells and T cells. B cells produce antibodies, which are proteins that bind to specific antigens on pathogens, marking them for destruction. T cells, on the other hand, directly attack infected cells. One of the key features of the adaptive immune system is that it has a remarkable ability to remember specific pathogens. This means that the immune system can mount a faster and more effective response if the body is exposed to the same pathogen again. This is the basis for vaccination, which works by exposing the body to a weakened or inactive form of a pathogen, allowing the immune system to learn and remember how to fight it off. Overall, the immune system is a complex and highly effective defense mechanism that protects the body against infection and disease. It is a remarkable system that allows us to live in a world full of germs without getting sick all the time. Now that we understand how the immune system works, it's important to understand why it's so important. The immune system is essential for maintaining our health and well-being. It helps us to fight off infections and diseases caused by bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other pathogens. Without a properly functioning immune system, we would be vulnerable to a wide range of illnesses and could even die from relatively minor infections. In addition to fighting off infections, the immune system also plays an important role in preventing and fighting cancer. Cancer cells are essentially the body's own cells that have gone rogue and started growing out of control. The immune system is able to identify and eliminate these cells, preventing them from turning into a life-threatening cancer. Another important function of the immune system is to help heal wounds and repair damaged tissue. When the body is injured, immune cells are often the first responders on the scene. They help to clean up the mess and repair the damage, allowing the body to heal and recover. Overall, the immune system is a critical component of the human body that keeps us healthy and allows us to live in a world full of germs and potential threats without getting sick all the time. Unfortunately, sometimes things can go wrong with the immune system. One common issue is a weakened immune system, which can make it harder for the body to fight off infections and diseases. A weakened immune system can be caused by a number of factors, including malnutrition, stress, lack of sleep, and certain medical conditions such as HIV, AIDS. Another problem that can arise is an overactive immune system. This can happen when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own cells, leading to autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. Allergies are another common issue that result from an overactive immune system. So what can you do to keep your immune system strong? Fortunately, there are a number of things that you can do to support your immune system and keep it functioning at its best. First and foremost, it's important to maintain good overall health. This includes eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, getting regular exercise, and managing stress through techniques such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Another important thing you can do is to get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for a strong immune system as it helps the body repair and rejuvenate itself. Most adults need around 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to keep their immune system in top shape. In addition to these general health tips, there are also some specific things you can do to support your immune system. One is to wash your hands frequently and thoroughly. This is a simple but effective way to prevent the spread of germs and reduce your risk of getting sick. It's especially important to wash your hands before eating, after using the restroom, and after being in public places. Another thing you can do is to avoid close contact with people who are sick. If possible, this can help prevent the spread of contagious illnesses such as the flu and common cold. If you do come into contact with someone who is sick, be sure to wash your hands thoroughly and use other preventive measures such as wearing a mask. Finally, consider getting vaccinated against infectious diseases. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to protect yourself and others from serious illnesses. They help the immune system recognize and fight off specific pathogens, preventing the spread of disease. By following these tips, you can support your immune system and keep it functioning at its best. It is important to remember that the immune system is a critical component of the human body that helps us to stay healthy and fight off infections and diseases. By taking care of our bodies and making smart choices, we can keep our immune system strong and effective, allowing us to live vibrantly and pursue our dreams without being held back by illness or injury. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing immune system that keeps us healthy and allows us to thrive. If you want to learn more about the immune system or other topics related to health and science, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And you can also check out our other videos that we think you'll like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.